Our mission here at the CCBC, Department of Public Safety, is to prepare our community for all forms of emergency situations that have the potential to occur on campus. This video will consist of active shooter awareness information, severe weather procedures, and medical emergency procedures, including the use of AEDs and stop the bleed procedures in case of an emergency situation where medical personnel cannot access the active scene. With our numerous campus locations, it is important all CCBC community members are aware of proper procedures to take to survive an active shooter event. Anticipating an active shooter incident is impossible, and you must be prepared to make the correct decisions to ensure your survival. Your life and safety is most important. Do what you must to protect yourself and get away from the danger immediately. Once you see an active shooter or hear gunshots, you must act immediately. Your first instinct should be to run. Run in the opposite direction of the gunfire. Immediately find the closest route of exit and inform others not to go in the direction of the shooter. Once you are at a safe distance, immediately call 911 and/or campus police to report the location and details of the shooter. If you are unable to escape the danger zone, it is important that you find a place to barricade and hide from the assailant. If located near or in a classroom, use the locking implements to deny access. Remove the lock magnet to ensure the door cannot be opened. Locate the night lock lockdown insert and move to secure the door. Remain quiet and stay away from all entryways. Unfortunately, not everyone will be able to escape or hide. Some individuals will have to face the assailant, and you must be prepared to fight. Locate objects that you can use to disarm the shooter. Position yourself at an angle to surprise the shooter and try to grab the weapon. You must work as a team to ensure you can survive this encounter. As officers arrive, please follow all instructions as they secure the immediate area. If you are barricaded at the threat location, do not move until you have been located by first responders to ensure that the threat is neutralized. Upon interaction with first responders, be sure your hands are visible as you exit the building. Experiencing and surviving an active shooter incident can be traumatizing, and here at CCBC, College and Community Outreach Services will assist all students with counseling resources and the Employee Assistance Program, also known as EAP, which will assist employees with counseling services. In the event of severe weather, go to a severe weather shelter location. Follow instructions on campus alert notification systems. In the event of an earthquake or tremor is detected, leave the building promptly and move to an open area where a building collapse will not harm you. Take others with you and do not re-enter the building until you are cleared to do so. In the event of a fire or smoke in the building, pull the nearest fire alarm. Shut off gas valves, leave the building, and assist others in the evacuation. Contact 911 with your observations and number and location of the injured. Do not go back into the building. If you are ever in a medical emergency situation, immediately call 911 to report a medical emergency, including unconsciousness, cardiac, breathing problems, or possible drug overdose. Inform dispatch of your location on campus, building, and room location to the dispatcher. As medical personnel are en route, locate an automated external defibrillators, also known as AEDs. If the person is unconscious, open the AED and follow instructions for use. During a medical emergency, you may be the only responder on scene, and you might have to stop the bleeding to save the individual. Stop the bleed kits are located next to the AEDs. The first step to stop bleeding is to open the clothing over the bleeding wound and wipe away any pooled blood. Second, apply steady pressure with the provided gauze in the bleed kit. Hold pressure to stop bleeding. Continue pressure until relieved by medical responders.